Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. 50 sites, 10 different EPCs, 5 different naming conventions, and 1 asset manager trying to make all of it look like a single portfolio. If that sounds familiar, you're already paying the price of reporting chaos every single month. Most reporting problems don't start with bad data. They start with inconsistent data, different templates, different naming standards, different KPI calculations, different interpretations of the same asset. One site calls it INV03. Another calls it Inverter C. A third calls it Block B Main. Yet they're all describing the same type of equipment. So every month someone manually translates those differences. And that's where risk appears. When reporting depends on tribal knowledge, one employee leaving can take years of operational context with them. Most reporting software creates charts. ClearSpot agents create consistency. The agents learn your portfolio structure, site IDs, string naming, inverter hierarchies, performance metrics, financial reporting requirements. Then they normalize everything automatically, regardless of which EPC built the site, which monitoring system is installed, or which naming convention was used originally. The result is one portfolio-grade reporting package, generated the same way, for every site, every month, on schedule. No more 10 dashboards, no more 20 exports. Just one trusted operational story. A standardized reporting framework isn't just an operational improvement. It's a business advantage. Financing discussions, CapEx approvals, board reviews, mergers and acquisitions. Every one of those conversations depends on trust in the numbers. If every site tells a different story, confidence drops. If every site follows the same reporting logic, decisions become easier. And because agents handle the standardization work automatically, your team stops acting like translators and starts acting like portfolio managers. If your monthly reporting process still depends on heroics from 1 or 2 people, you're carrying operational risk you don't need. That's why we've packaged our 50-site reporting framework into a resource called the Portfolio Reporting Template. It includes example layouts, portfolio KPI structures, and the agent mapping rules used to standardize reporting at scale. If you'd like to see what a fully standardized reporting package would look like for your own fleet, visit the ClearSpot demo page and request the Portfolio Reporting Template from the O&M Automation series. Because managing 50 sites shouldn't require 50 different versions of the truth. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.